It's Lisa from Sew Arty here. It's the first time for me using audio equipment, so I hope this goes okay. I hope you can hear me. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Please leave a comment. If you want to ask me a question about anything, I will reply. I always like to reply. I do have a craft fair coming up, so today I thought I would print off my leaflets. I will place these on the table so people can come up and grab one, and they can have my email address and they'll be able to contact me. I hope you like what I've been posting. I'll be carry on posting lots of different things. I do like posting sewing things. I like to do crafts. I like to show you little bits of my life. So please hit that bell and turn on notification. If you like my videos, please share them and thumbs up. It's really important. And you want to see more, then please do that. I am a dress designer, a blogger, and I love sewing, and I love to upcycle items and give them to friends and family as well. So you'll learn a lot of things. If you just keep up to date, I'll try and post regularly, and we can share the love of sewing and crafting. These are printed out on A4 sticker sheets. I then cut them all out and I use them for gift wrapping. I love my HP printer. Such a good printer, so easy to change the cartridges, and once you've changed the cartridges you put them in this bag and send them off, free postage. Love that. I would use it for all my encaustic artwork, and it's a pretty good printer, so I really do recommend it. Just packing everything up in my Christmas bags, ready for the craft fair in a few days. I don't like to take too much with me. I just want to take a few bags that I can easily set up and just easily pack away and be gone quickly, nice and easily and simple. So I always take my hats and my cards and pack it all nicely together in my Christmas bags. I want to use this basket for something, not quite sure, but I know I don't want to take all this stock with me. So I'm just transferring it into a box, and I'm just going to use that basket and put this away for next time. It's not needed. Just packing up the last of the things. I've got my sheets for the table. I've got pink and I've got black. I'm also going to take some paper bags for my cards and my hats. So I have got them and put them already in there in my nice Christmas bag. I'm going to put my cards in there. It's just sorting out my labels, making sure I've got all my prices sorted. I might not need them all because I'm not taking all my stock today. And just taking a few little things to show people what I do, which is really important. Just going through my till, and just to make sure that I've got some change, because you always need change. packed up and ready to go. So I have my lights with me, which are very good battery powered lights, which I use for my store. Off I go to the craft fair. I post 10 o'clock on a Sunday and sometimes 10 o'clock on a Wednesday. See you next time. Bye for now.